Today we study about formatting. How to format your text to look at good, more appealing, more pleasant. Select your text, the text you want to format, select that. For example, we are selecting items. Here we have number of things to apply. Right click on it. Here is the context menu. You can use it to format your text, or you can also use the fonts formatting. Here you have font. You can change fonts. You can increase its size. You can change its color, font color, for example red. You can also give fill color for the cell. You can also remove or add border. You can make it bold, italic, underline, and much more. That's how you can format your text inside an Excel sheet.